Hello and welcome back. I'm so glad that you guys have been keeping up with the series. If you're brand new to the channel, you don't know who I am. My name is Gary. I help people make money. I'm making this step-by-step guide to help others down the path of success, just like the one that I took, that I was able to quit my 9 to 5. If you're seeing this for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Again, like this video. I promise you guys do not want to miss out on this. Underneath, you'll be able to find right underneath the video here, you'll see a little thing that says show more. Once you click show more, it'll take you down here. If you see, it says YouTube playlist. Hit that. That will take you back to the very beginning. You guys can go start from day 0 if you have not watched that video yet. Do not just start from here. Moving forward, it's not going to make any sense. For those that have been following along, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for continuing to watch this. I'm going to thank you every video, just because I'm really looking for others that are just ready to hit the ground running, the ones that are looking to make money. I'm talking to the go-getters, the ones that are fed up with not having enough money or not being able to afford the things you want to afford, and I'm here for you. So I've done a few Zoom calls with a few people that have actually started this program. There's quite a few that have started the step-by-step guide, and they're doing fantastic. If you guys want, just reach out to me if you have any questions. Always leave comments below if you want me to answer any of those. But I haven't posted for the past few days. There's an important thing that's going to follow that. There's a very good reason why. If you noticed, if any of you guys that are following me in the real time right now, it's March 3rd. If you guys are following me in real time, then this pertains to you. If not, if you guys are watching this in the future, this still makes sense, and this is still going to be important information. I didn't post to YouTube. I didn't post to TikTok. I didn't post to my Instagram. Even my main TikTok account that I've had for a while, I haven't posted to it. There's a huge reason. I wanted to show you guys the importance of, not only the importance of posting every single day, but what happens when you don't post every day. I had a really good last week. I think I made over 2 or 3 grand last week, so I was able to take a hit this week. I have lost out on quite a bit of money. My last few days, I have not done very well. Now, I didn't make a YouTube video also. For the ones that are kind of following along, I did not make a YouTube video too because I don't want to draw any more attention. I wanted to make it seem like that everything just kind of got shut off, sort of situation. Does that make sense? There's obviously going to be people that still go back and watch your guys' videos, but if you don't post, new people are not going to know about you. You're not going to be able to get more subscribers. You're not going to be able to move forward in your business. I'm going to show you really quick just a couple of things here. Let's go to resellers. This is Traffic Authority. If you guys don't know what Traffic Authority is, this is one of the products on the inside. I'm just getting logged in here. While that's logging in, I'm also going to get an MIF going. So I want to show you guys, please, there we go. I want to show you guys what happens when you don't post. Now, I'm going to go to my team in just a moment. I'm going to show you new signups, everything like that. But I want to see just Traffic Authority really quick. Commissions. Okay, so I'm going to blur out the names. I'm going to blur out emails, things like that. But I'm going to keep true to just the amount of money that has come in. Today, I have made no money. None. Kind of sucks. All right? That is a huge... That's a huge downer because Traffic Authority, I make a good amount of money on Traffic Authority. If you guys noticed, last week on Traffic Authority alone, I made $1,600 just last week. Yesterday, I made $20. The day before that, I made $20 from Traffic Authority. I want to show you. If you notice here, it's 3/3 today, March 3rd. We're looking at the date. Yesterday, here's where that $20 commission was, and then 3/1. Here's where that $20 commission was. That's all I made from this. And then you notice from there to the 28th, where it comes to February 28th, I made $40. And then I made another $4. And then if I scroll down here, let's take a look. I'm making markers so it's easier to edit the video later. I'm going to go down. 28, 28, 28. We have 40, 4, 4. And then the 27th, there was 100, another 4. On the 26th, there was 60 and 10 and 4. And it keeps going on. Like it ends up, being quite a bit. But that right there shows you, because I've slowed down or completely stopped me posting, I have lost money. It's usually pretty consistent. I haven't really had any days where there's gaps. I'm going to add another marker here. Go to page 2. Okay. 26th, 60, 75, 30. The 25th, 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 75. I'm just going to show you back to the 25th. I mean, that should be proof enough there. This is from me posting. Everybody wants to come in. Everybody's buying traffic. Everybody's buying the products in Traffic Authority. And once again, I'm going to tell you guys, if you don't have Traffic Authority and you guys haven't purchased traffic yet and you haven't become part of the resellers, you need to hop on this because there's a lot of money being made here. Now I'm going to go over to MIF here. We're going to take a look at my team. Here's the dope thing. Check this out. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Yeah, boy. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. And then we have YouTube and then YouTube again. I have a couple different links there. I'm not going to go into it, but you see here, we have one sign up on the 28th. I stopped posting just right after that. And I don't have any new signups. If you notice, I don't have any on 3-1, 3-2, 3-3. Nothing. Just from these guys, just from taking a look at just these two products. Obviously, there's other products on the inside, but I didn't make any money off that. This should be enough for you guys to draw your own conclusions. I lost money because I didn't post. I'm telling you, if you do not post to your TikToks, if you do not post to your Instagram, if you do not post to YouTube Shorts, you are losing money. Even if you had a really good day, maybe the day before or the day, the week before or whatever, and you're like, man, I made $1,000 this week and I was able to, really, really hunker down and make some decent money. And it's like, you're going to get comfortable. You're going to get to the point where you get tired of shit. You just don't want to post. It's going to happen. Beautiful thing is, it doesn't take that long. It doesn't take that much of your time. You have to keep reminding yourself, hey man, it's only an hour. It's only 2 hours tops. This is all we need. Don't do this to yourself. You're going to end up exactly like this. And this is from somebody who's been doing this since June of last year, in 2021. I've been doing this since June. To keep it consistent, you have to stay consistent. If you want the money to come in, you have to stay consistent. I stopped posting. You guys see the result from that. I did that for a reason. I'm glad that you guys kind of, understand, that I didn't post to YouTube and kind of going, Gary, where's Gary? We're supposed to be getting our emails and everything. I had to keep it neutral, all right? Because I can't be posting here and then post on YouTube and then, I get more people coming to my channel because I posted a brand new video and then they go back to zero, you know the whole story. This is the bane of your business being not even being lazy. There's days you're going to be lazy, but just being tired of posting, even being brand new to it. I'm sure there's a ton of you out there that are you're already done with posting. You really don't want to do it. You have to. Unless you just go to Traffic Authority and you guys buy your traffic. So this is the end of it. Going back to the traffic store here. Right now, once again, it's March 3rd. Right now, they're having a deal where you buy one, you get one free. So if you buy a basic package, you get an extra 190 clicks or 380 clicks, so on and so forth. This, guys, take advantage of this. There's a lot of people that go into it, but if you don't want to show your face and you just want to be strictly just buy your traffic or buy your business, you can do that. If you have the funds, go ahead and do that. But I'm telling you, in the meantime, you need to be posting. Hey guys, sorry about that. My system like messed up a little bit. It was being a little weird. I don't know what happened there, but that's the gist of the video today. Is if you don't post, you lose money. So it's meant to be kind of a shorter video today. I'm not going to do a super long one. There was just one last thing here that I forgot to tell you guys. In Instagram, just make sure you're putting your link in your bio. You have the option of going here to GoDaddy.com and buying a brand new site. Or a brand new domain, not a site, but a domain. If you guys don't remember how to do that, if you go back in the, if you go back into the videos, like the playlist, you guys can see. I'm pretty positive it was this one. Okay, it was the day one, step by step. So just go back, watch that. You guys will be able to make another domain. And then you could put that in your Instagram. Now, it's going to look something similar to this. I'll connect to my phone really quick. And then I'll pull up my Instagram. And I get a song stuck in my head, dude. I always get songs stuck in my head. All right, dope. So I'm loading my screen. Loading the screen here. All right. Just got to get this loaded up. It's kind of just taking a minute. I don't know why. Let me put it back on the screen. Your phone. There it is. And if you guys want the app for this, it's called Your Phone. It's really cool. Just allows you to have your phone on your screen. And, you know, you can even, it's cool. You can even answer phone calls from your phone. You can even... Please connect to Wi-Fi. Oh, yeah, that's my problem. But you can answer text from your phone. They'll pop up here. You know, if you ever get any text, it'll pop up here while you're on your computer. You can make phone calls if you have a headset on your computer. It's really cool, man. Honestly, one of my more favorite apps that are out there. So I have this loaded up now. I'm just pulling up Instagram. So we're going to my Instagram. We're going to pull the screen over here. All right. If you notice here, this is clickable. So people could click on that and go there. So this is my main one. This isn't the other ones that I made, my other 5. This one's just my main one. I always have it sending to my YouTube. So if you guys want, you can edit your profile just by hitting this button here. So go to your face, click it, and then hit edit profile, and you can notice here, website. You don't have to have 100 or 1,000 people following you. Legit, you could just go put it in there. That's all this is. Pretty simplistic. And then they can click it. Now, if you guys don't want to buy another domain, completely up to you. If you want to do that, I say do it because it just makes you seem... It makes you seem more professional. But you can go to Bitly. Oh, yeah. My gosh. We did this the other day. You guys remember this, right? Like, what color is the dress? That was a mine F. I see gold and white, by the way. I know my eyes are messed up. But you can go to Bitly. Bitly.com. And you don't even have to sign in or do anything weird. Just go down here. And you could shorten your link. If you go to your links here. And you copy. I'm just going to copy one. We're just going to do it for fun. Copy one. Right click. Paste. Or if you're on your phone, just hold it. Copy. Go here. Hold it. Paste. And then hit shorten. Bam. Look at that. It automatically makes this. And it's a much shorter link. So you can copy that. And then you can go back to your Instagram. I'm gonna pull up my phone here. Edit profile, and I'm not going to put it here, but you could legit, oh my gosh, no pronouns, stop it. But you just come here and you paste it in the website, and then after that, hit this check mark on the top, and then it'll make a clickable link. So you see, bam, it just goes back to my YouTube. That's it, baby. That's it. How simple is that? It's awesome. You guys need to go back and do that. Make sure you put the same thing that you put in your TikTok like bio, and it's good to go. From here, we will dive back in tomorrow. I'm going to start posting again on the daily. We're going to dive back in tomorrow and look at a couple different things. Just look at our analytics. That's what we need to start doing, is kind of see when people are starting to watch our videos. But as far as now goes, that is all I have for you guys today. Once again, I will have an email for you. I will always have an email for you guys to send out in your MLGS. And we will reconvene tomorrow and look at our analytics. It's going to be pretty awesome, because that's, we're running our business. It's important to see where our foot traffic is coming in. Just like a store, how you have, they could see when it's busy or not busy. We're doing the same thing. I appreciate all of you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments, and have a nice day. We will reconvene tomorrow. Peace out.